Applying for banking services.
I would like to open a bank account.
What kind of account you would like to open?
I would like to open savings and securities accounts.
You can open an integrated account, which covers savings, current, foreign exchange, and investment accounts.
What are the benefits of having an integrated account?
We offer you personalized wealth management services and exclusive benefits that are designed to suit your banking needs. With savings account, you can enjoy preferential tiered interest rates so that you can start to save, grow your wealth, and plan for the future. With current account, we offer you free checkbook so that you can make payment conveniently, such as paying bills to different merchants. With foreign exchange account, we provide preferential exchange rates by distributing your wealth across different currencies. You can manage a variety of foreign currencies in one consolidated account. With investment account, you can trade stocks and subscribe investment funds by using our best-in-class phone, online, and mobile channels. With our one-stop securities services, you can enjoy value-added services, such as our professional market information, for helping you capturing investment opportunities. For investment funds, we also offer a wide range of funds, with options of different risks to match your investment goals. We offer attractive cash rebate and handling fee waiver if your investment amount has exceeded certain designated level.
It sounds good. And I can manage my finances without any hassle.
Please provide your personal details, and I can open the account for you now.
Any minimum balance for opening an integrated account?
We have several types of integrated account.
What are the differences?
We have top-class private banking services with dedicated relationship manager. We serve high-net-worth customers with more exclusive wealth management services. We help you to diversify your asset, plan your wealth, plan your succession, and advise your life journey as well. The elite of wealth management services preserves and grows your wealth. The minimum balance is quite a significant amount, and that is $1 million.
Wow! Any other choices?
We have prestige banking services with dedicated relationship manager. We also offer personalized wealth management services that are beyond products and services. We support your family-focused goals through our professional financial planning services. You need not worry about the risks, because our experts analyze your portfolio based on your personalized strategy. In addition, we serve you with a wide range of privileges in dining, lifestyle, and travel. The minimum balance is $100,000.
It's still too much for me.
You can consider a basic integrated account with a minimum balance as low as $10,000. This is also an all-in-one account that provides flexibility when managing your portfolio anytime, anywhere. You can accumulate your wealth through our different investment products with controlled risks. Our stable, secure, and trusted online and mobile banking platforms are built with excellent customers' experience. You can get our personal financial analysis, suggestion of asset management, and our products. It facilitates you to achieve your life goals in different stages.
Good. I would consider to open a basic integrated account, because the innovative financial management tool brings me much value-added services. It can fulfill my banking needs. I would like to deposit money to your bank. What's the best interest rate I can get?
May I know how much of it?
I've $10,000, and the deposit period is 1 month.
Based on existing interest rate, it's 0.5% per annum.
It's not attractive to me. Can I get better interest rate?
The more your deposit, the higher the interest rate. You can also consider a longer deposit tenor. For your convenience, we can also automatically renew your time deposit instruction.
I do not have enough balance in your bank. I think I have to transfer money from the other bank later.
If your deposit amount is up to $100,000 for 1 year, we can offer you a special rate of 2% per annum. It's because you bring in new funds to us, and this is a one-off offer.
Fantastic.
Meanwhile, we currently offer special interest rate during this seasonal period. Please do not miss it for our wide choice of deposit tenors, currencies, and renewal instructions. You can also make the time deposit instruction at online and mobile channels. Please simply select the time deposit plan, principal amount, and deposit tenor. There is also choice of renewal options on maturity. In the volatile market, investment involves risks. Hence, we should allocate certain percentage of money to a more secure approach.
What do you mean for renewal option?
You can renew the time deposit with principal only, principal and interest, or deducting from principal. It's up to your preference. You can make use of time deposit to grow your wealth, with favorable interest returns, without taking big financial risks. The flow is so simple.
Agreed. I can save my money for a set period of time, and get a higher interest rate than a savings account. If stock market is promising, I can invest again, by rearranging my portfolio flexibly. I would like to apply for a residential mortgage loan.
Would you please provide me more details?
Here is the address of the property. I've already performed instant property valuation at your bank's mobile application.
Thanks. Please provide me the proof. Did you have a record of screen?
Here you are.
Thanks. Please let me check.
I'm considering to borrow loan amount of 50% of the property's value, with a tenor of 20 years.
Currently, we have promotion for different mortgage plans.
Good. Can you introduce those plans?
We offer cash rebate of 2% after drawing down a mortgage, premium discount of 10% for enrollment of fire insurance plan, and preferential interest rate of 2% for placement of time deposit instructions.
How about the mortgage rate?
We've competitive mortgage interest rate based on your information submitted. We can help you to realize your dream of purchasing a house. We've also another type of mortgage plan with a theme of green element. In responding to environment protection, we offer exceptional mortgage rate if your house is built with green architectural standard.
It's awesome. It's good for the planet.
Will you apply for green mortgage now?
I'm still hesitating and calculating the loan amount that I should borrow and the tenor that I should take as well.
You can use our bank's mortgage calculator to facilitate your decision. It can calculate your monthly repayment amount and interest expense under different scenarios.
How can I get this?
You can just download our bank's mobile application. Once your decision is made, you can apply for mortgage loan through the mobile application by submitting the information, and and uploading documents including your identity documents, salary, and employment proof.
It's very convenient, and I can submit it through online.
Yes. Please note that it would take around 2 days for the approval, after collecting your all information.
Great. It's fine with me. I would like to apply for a life insurance plan.
We've different types of life protection plans. It can be for savings, retirement, and illness purposes.
I would like to protect my family's future, if the unexpected happens.
Our service can provide you peace of mind and financial security of your beloved ones.
I'm considering health and illness-related plan.
Sure. We have different types of medical plans, which protect your health with a well-planned coverage. It can also be extended to your parents and child to ensure adequate protection. It covers you for unknown pre-existing condition. This payment can be used to pay for medical treatment, as well as daily necessities, making up for lost income, when you cannot work anymore. You can be rest assured, even sickness has existed prior to the policy issuance date. For illness plans, we can reduce your financial burden at times of unexpected illness. Critical illnesses include cancer, heart disease, and stroke. We cover over 100 illnesses in different stages, and extra hospital cash benefit, so that you can enjoy a lifelong protection to yourself and your family. We also cover a second cancer, with more protection of recurrences and new cancers.
That's great for covering second cancer. We're surrounded by polluted environment and factors, and it's very common to be suffered from critical illness.
Our plans are also flexible for you to enroll, by considering premium payment period with 10, 20, or 30 years. You can consider the insured amount with a minimum of $10,000, with different payment modes, such as annually, quarterly, or monthly. We offer comprehensive hospital cash benefit, so that you and your family are well protected.
That's good. Let me have a look, and we'll get back to you later.
Questions for opening bank accounts. I would like to open a bank account. Would you please introduce the types of accounts? I would like to open a bank account. Would you please introduce the types of accounts? What are the minimum balance of different integrated accounts? What are the minimum balance of different integrated accounts? If my monthly balance cannot meet your requirement, what's the monthly fee that you will charge me? If my monthly balance cannot meet your requirement, what's the monthly fee that you will charge me? What are the components of products that constitute the calculation of minimum balance? What are the components of products that constitute the calculation of minimum balance? What are your welcome rewards if I consider to open an integrated account? What are your welcome rewards if I consider to open an integrated account? What types of services with handling fee waiver after opening an integrated account? What types of services with handling fee waiver after opening an integrated account? What are the extra benefits if I deposit more money into your bank? What are the extra benefits if I deposit more money into your bank? Can I get extra discounts for the handling fee of some banking services? Can I get extra discounts for the handling fee of some banking services? How can I be qualified to become your premium customer? How can I be qualified to become your premium customer? What are so special on the privileges of the premium account? What are so special on the privileges of the premium account? Can I get any waiver for joining club membership when holding the premium account? Can I get any waiver for joining club membership when holding the premium account? If I become your premium customer, what kinds of exclusive wealth management services are offered? If I become your premium customer, what kinds of exclusive wealth management services are offered?
Using banking services. Activate. Activate. Examples. In order to use your renewed credit card, you should follow the step and activate the card through customer service. In order to use your renewed credit card, you should follow the step and activate the card through customer service. Banks have adopted a more secure way for customers to activate mobile application. Banks have adopted a more secure way for customers to activate mobile application. Applicable. Applicable. Examples. The tax payment promotion program is only applicable to selected credit card holders. The tax payment promotion program is only applicable to selected credit card holders. The exclusive privileges are not applicable to the staff of the bank. The exclusive privileges are not applicable to the staff of the bank. Bind. Bind. Examples. The bank encourages customers binding their credit cards with the bank's mobile application for enjoying more benefits. The bank encourages customers binding their credit cards with the bank's mobile application for enjoying more benefits. To commute to work conveniently, people usually bind credit card with the frequently used mobile wallet. To commute to work conveniently, people usually bind credit card with the frequently used mobile wallet. Coverage. Coverage. Examples. When selecting the travel insurance plan, please read the details of the scope of coverage carefully. When selecting the travel insurance plan, please read the details of the scope of coverage carefully. The coverage of the accident insurance plan is subject to the terms and conditions stated in the policy. The coverage of the accident insurance plan is subject to the terms and conditions stated in the policy. Designate. Designate. Examples. If you can complete one designated transfer transaction within a month, you'll be entitled to $10 coupons. If you can complete one designated transfer transaction within a month, you'll be entitled to $10 coupons. The designated branches provide wealth management services every Sunday. The designated branches provide wealth management services every Sunday. Diversify. Diversify. Examples. To minimize the investment risk, you should diversify your portfolio. To minimize the investment risk, you should diversify your portfolio. To diversify my investment, I do not put all my eggs in one basket. To diversify my investment, I do not put all my eggs in one basket. Eligible. Eligible. Examples. As you've made 5 credit card transactions in the past 1 month, you're eligible for the cash rebate. As you've made 5 credit card transactions in the past 1 month, you're eligible for the cash rebate. To qualify for the promotion program, your eligible balance at our bank should exceed $100,000. To qualify for the promotion program, your eligible balance at our bank should exceed $100,000. Guarantee. Guarantee. Examples. The insurance plan offers guaranteed return within 5 years. The insurance plan offers guaranteed return within 5 years. The guaranteed rate of return is 5%. Hence, I've enrolled in the savings insurance plan. The guaranteed rate of return is 5%. Hence, I've enrolled in the savings insurance plan. Incremental. Incremental. Examples. The bank communicates with customers about the definition of incremental balance. The bank communicates with customers about the definition of incremental balance. In order to get higher interest rate, I've to make sure fulfilling the incremental balance in the past 3 months. In order to get higher interest rate, I've to make sure fulfilling the incremental balance in the past 3 months. New fund. New fund. Examples. Banks attracts new fund deposited from customers by offering higher interest rates of new fund balance. Banks attracts new fund deposited from customers by offering higher interest rates of new fund balance. Customers are so smart to move money from one bank to another bank for earning higher interest rates. Customers are so smart to move money from one bank to another bank for earning higher interest rates. Preferential. Preferential. Examples. As our valued customer, you can enjoy the preferential interest rates when placing the time deposit instruction. As our valued customer, you can enjoy the preferential interest rates when placing the time deposit instruction. To increase customer stickiness, the bank has launched a range of preferential services and offers. To increase customer stickiness, the bank has launched a range of preferential services and offers. Premium. Premium. Examples. The monthly premium of the household insurance plan is $100 only. The monthly premium of the household insurance plan is $100 only. If you cannot pay the premium within a month, your insurance policy may lapse. If you cannot pay the premium within a month, your insurance policy may lapse. Referral. Referral. Examples. For each successful referral of credit card customer, you can enjoy $100 cash reward. For each successful referral of credit card customer, you can enjoy $100 cash reward. The bank has launched a family members referral program and the result is very promising. The bank has launched a family members referral program and the result is very promising. Repayment. Repayment. Examples. To avoid delay repayment of credit card, I've set the monthly alert as a payment reminder. To avoid delay repayment of credit card, I've set the monthly alert as a payment reminder. I've successfully applied for a mortgage loan and the repayment amount is half of my monthly salary. I've successfully applied for a mortgage loan and the repayment amount is half of my monthly salary.
Placing time deposit instruction.
Hi Angela, how are you doing?
I'm good. And you?
I'm busy with my work. Are you still working in a bank?
Yes. Almost 5 years.
I'm having some trouble. Can I ask for your opinion?
Sure. What can I help you?
I feel frustrated with my investment's performance recently. Do you have any idea of low-risk investment?
Low-risk investment?
Yes. I would like to diversify my investment and allocate part of my deposit for low-risk investment.
Have you placed time deposit before?
Yes, but not very often. It's not flexible to me.
It's the limitation and nature of time deposit. However, it's risk-free and the return is guaranteed.
That's why it's welcomed by retirees. Such return brings key benefit to conservative investors.
Right. Regardless of market fluctuation, you can rest assured that your deposits can grow at a fixed rate.
I'm fully aware of it. Unfortunately, it's not my first choice of investment. If I withdraw my money earlier, I'll lose all of the interest earned.
How about more attractive interest rate? Will you consider such risk-free product?
As far as I know, I can get higher interest rate if I place time deposit via digital banking. Frankly speaking, I do not think it's attractive enough.
You're right. The interest rate offered via online channel may be a bit higher than that of branches.
Are you having other way to earn more attractive interest rate?
You must be a smart customer. Have you opened accounts in different banks?
Of course. I've got several bank accounts. I'll move my money to different banks only if the interest rate of time deposit is attractive.
Banks would like to boost deposits from their customers. Do you know why?
I guess that banks can use the deposits to generate more incomes.
Correct. If banks can secure more deposits, they can lend out more. They make money by earning interest from loans such as mortgages and different types of loans.
That's why I frequently receive promotional emails from different banks.
What will you do after receiving such emails?
I'll compare the interest rates from different banks. If it's attractive enough, I may transfer part of my balance to another bank. Thanks to the digital banking, I can do it in a minute.
The strategy of some of the banks includes encouraging customers to centralize their savings into one bank.
What's it about?
If there is an increase of your balance over a designated period, you can place time deposit by enjoying attractive interest rate.
Oh, sorry, I cannot get your point.
Let me simplify it. If you can move more money from other banks to one bank continually, the increase of balance can be entitled to higher interest rate.
Are you kidding?
No. Such incremental balance is named as new fund.
New fund? I've not heard of this term before.
As mentioned, banks would like to grow deposits by attracting customers and centralizing their deposits into one bank.
Are many banks offering this time deposit with new fund?
Some of the banks have such offers. They may vary in the logics of calculating the designated period.
What are the differences?
Some banks may use the period of the past 15, 30 days or more to calculate the increase of balance. Please check their terms and conditions before making the transfer.
I've got an idea.
I guess you know what I mean.
If I'm able to move money smartly within those banks that offer new fund offer of time deposit, I can enjoy the merit of the new fund offer.
You're brilliant. It's a risk-free investment. If you accept the extra steps in making transfer among banks, you can earn such bonus interest.
As my stock's performance was terrible in the past 2 years, I think I have to shift a certain portion of my portfolio to low-risk investment.
When trading stocks, you have to face with different risks such as market, global, and business risks. It's actually not easy to have profit when investing in the stock market.
How can I reduce those risks?
The wisdom of investment is too complicated. You have to be knowledgeable, patient, disciplined, and even more.
I cannot disagree with you anymore.
You may consider my approach. I've identified few stocks with stable dividend. After further analysis, I'm now focusing 2 stocks for long-term investment. I bought the shares of these 2 stocks with a fixed amount every month.
Why? What are the benefits of this approach?
By doing so, I can buy more shares when price goes down and fewer shares when price goes up. After a period of time, the cost of each of the share will be averaged out. There is no need for me to worry about short-term price fluctuation. This type of investment is related to the use of dollar cost averaging principle.
My concern is whether there will be a guaranteed return or not.
It's mainly determined by the selling price at the time you sell the stock.
If it's not guaranteed, why do you still consider it?
I would like to mitigate the impact of short-term price fluctuation. In addition, my selected stock can distribute stable dividend to me as well.
Okay. Even if the selling price is lower than your cost, the stable dividend can help reducing the loss. I recognize that it's my problem when buying stocks. I may have sudden impulse to buy stocks at high price. I sometimes cannot control myself caused by my irrational behavior. It's totally my fault of making incorrect buying decision.
I think it's very common for general investors. You can take reference of this principle and it may help.
Thank you for your sharing today. I suffered a significant loss of my investment. Therefore, I should also take a more prudent way to handle my investment.
We can learn from experience. Please let me know if there are further questions. See you.
Thank you so much. See you.
You're welcome.